Yung, di ba yung super uso na Dubai chocolate? Di ba?
Oo.
And it's only because of TikTok and
And the concept was actually from a Filipino chef. And the promote, so that's also an issue in the UAE. The IP sometimes gets registered by the partners. Sorry Maggie, pa-plug ko lang, before, you needed to have a local partner to do business. Now they did away with this. So now very vibrant yung ecosystem sa UAE ngayon because yung mga long-term Filipinos who are there, they've graduated from being overseas Filipinos. They're entrepreneurs. So they have Filipino chains born with one good story is Off the Hook. They have 10 branches in GCC. And it's a Filipino founded Filipino owned. So those are, sorry ma'am.
no. So just to say yung the power of social media. So if you have a product and you think that is addressing a unique market, a niche market, and it has special features, etc. So use social media to be able to do that. And just like the other markets here, e-commerce is also very much alive in Europe. And also with the same consideration, it's really logistics. That's really important. Kasi yung fulfillment how will you be able to fulfill something that's all the way on the other side of the world at a very good cost. It will not affect your expense, for example. And that really applies for B2B. For B2C, na e-commerce, it's easy kasi the shipping and handling is usually borne by the buyer. But for B2B, usually they share the cost or it really affects yung kasi kung FOB, kung ano man yung arrangement, whatever. But the e-commerce is also a good way, a very good way to be able to internationalize without having an office overseas.
Right.
But we are, as mentioned earlier, we are in the markets where you are interested in. So, I guess the word is take advantage of the presence of the DTI in the different international markets to be able to reach these markets. Research, you can ask us for my information on the ground, etc. And that's a way for you to be able to do your research, your studies in getting more information on the markets that you are interested in.
Okay, thank you, Maggie. Now,